In this video, we'll be covering giving roles permission to assign records in Shape and setting limits on record assignment. Start by clicking Settings in the top gradient navigation bar and selecting the Users and Permissions dropdown on the left-hand side where you'll find Record Assignment Permissions. The Record Assignment Permissions settings page within Shape allows you to choose which user roles have permission to assign and reassign records to users. You will see the options for user roles. Roles that have a check mark will allow any user in that role to assign and reassign records. Any role left unchecked here will not have the permission to assign records in your system. Your Shape system comes defaulted to only allow admins to assign records. If you'd like to limit the amount of user assignments per day, check the user assignment limit checkmark and enter the maximum amount of records to assign per day. Please keep in mind that when selecting the limit for assignments, this also includes records assigned through distribution rules and can cause issues with distribution if you don't account for those numbers. If users reach their limit, they will not be assigned any more records until the following day. If you have any further questions regarding record assignment permissions in Shape, please do not hesitate to reach out to our dedicated support team by emailing support@setshape.com.